Every day, your brain faces a flood of claims, headlines, and opinions. Without critical thinking, you accept them without checking. Critical thinking is the skill that filters noise into truth, and today, you will learn how to sharpen it. Start by asking one simple question. Is this actually true? Do not accept a claim just because it sounds confident. Look for the evidence behind it, the source, and the data. If none exist, the claim is just noise. Next, separate facts from opinions. A fact can be checked and proven. An opinion is a personal view. Many arguments fail because people mix the two. When you split them clearly, the real question becomes visible. Watch out for your own biases. Confirmation bias makes you seek proof for what you already believe. Anchoring bias locks you onto the first number you hear. Naming your biases is the first step to escaping them. Slow down your thinking. Fast thinking is automatic and emotional. Slow thinking is careful and logical. When a decision matters, pause, breathe, and switch from fast mode to slow mode before you react. Ask better questions. Instead of asking who is right, ask what is the evidence. Instead of asking, is this true, ask how could this be wrong? Better questions open doors that better answers cannot. Consider the opposite view. Steel man the other side by building the strongest version of their argument. If you still disagree, your position is stronger. If you agree, you just learned something new. Check your sources. A single tweet is not proof. A peer-reviewed study is stronger than a blog post. A primary source beats a summary. Trace the claim upstream until you find the original data. Practice with real problems. Take a headline from today. Ask what claim it makes, what evidence supports it, and what is missing. Write your answers down. Thinking on paper is sharper than thinking in your head. Embrace being wrong. Every mistake is a data point. Smart thinkers update their beliefs when new evidence arrives. Stubborn thinkers defend old beliefs. Choose to be a learner, not a defender. Read widely and read deeply. Books, essays, and long articles train your mind to hold complex ideas. Short videos entertain, but long reading builds the muscle. Give your brain harder food than scrolling. Critical thinking is a habit, not a talent. Question claims, check sources, slow down, consider the opposite, and welcome mistakes. Do this daily, and in months, you will think more clearly than most people ever do.